My name is Kevin Custer. I'm a principal and a founder of a private equity group called our Capital Development. We typically invest in companies that are under 25 million in enterprise value. Most of the time when we invest, we take an active role in the management of the company, either for a short-term interim basis or over the longer-term basis. Depends upon how long we want to be involved in the company. Most companies would look to have us involved as an investor, or firms like ours involved as investors, primarily for two reasons. The first one is that they have grown to a certain size where they've reached a plateau and they're looking to have some type of breakthrough. Most executive teams have a difficult time growing from a company as it's doubled in size more than 2 or 3 times. Managers have a hard time doing that. It's time to bring in a different type of managers, people who have a different skill set or just a fresh perspective on it. The other reason that somebody to bring it in is somebody like us in is to supplement a management team. The supplement is the real key element of it, where it's a product development issue, it's a channel development issue, it's a sales management issue, a corporate finance issue, something like that, where the executive team that has it has developed some competencies in 3 of perhaps 4 areas. What they need to do is supplement that last area. And so we would be involved in something like that. Typically when we're doing it and involved in something like that, we look at it either as a short-term, 90, 120 days, or we look at it from, is it a 2 or 3 year commitment on our part from the management team. What's different about a firm like ours that takes an active role in the company is that we're actually involved in the weekly managers meetings, we're actually on site with employees, we're out visiting the customers, we're actually participating as if we were an active employee in the company. You'll hear venture firms talk about where they're active, and active means they take a board position. In our situation, we will typically look at spending anywhere from 3 to 10 days a month actually involved in the operations of the company, understanding, helping, put in invoices, going to the trade shows, attending customer meetings, being an active part of what's going on. And I think that is a distinction of active management versus active oversight. An active oversight from a venture firm means they're actively helping you find some deals, but it's not what they get up in the morning and worry about. In our situation, with our companies, it's actually what we get up in the morning and worry about as far as participating in how to drive new business into the company.